If you're looking for one of the best lighting options for your off-road vehicle, today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be talking about the Rigid Industries SR20 Series Pro Light Bar. Now, Rigid Industries has been around for a very long time, and they're one of the leaders in off-road lighting. Their SR20 series is absolutely no different, and it comes in at a whopping 15,000 raw lumens for when you're out on the trail. The Pro Series is the newest and greatest Rigid has to offer, and they've completely redesigned all of their older LED lights. Pro Series means that you'll get to up to a 67% increase in raw lumen output, as well as some new features that you couldn't get in the old Rigid Industries style. So the Pro Series means that Rigid is going to give you up to 67% more raw output with any of their Pro Series lights and LED cubes. It's going to give you a black circuit board on the back, as well as a new and improved optic system that's going to give you increased light output as well as an increased lifespan on the light bar. Now, this 20-inch light bar includes everything that you need to get it bolted and wired up to your off-road rig. It includes this nice wiring harness here, the entire relay, as well as an included switch and the bracketry. Now, here at CJ's, we also offer a ton of vehicle-specific light mount options. Let you get them on the hood of your Jeep, the bumper of your Toyota Tacoma, or just about any off-road vehicle. And if you're interested in any of the lights we offer here at CJ's, be sure to check us out on cjponyparts.com, as well as follow along on our YouTube page. We've got a great lighting comparison video on there, as well as some great other content for you Jeepers.